Did you know that Aldi has makeup? They do. And I don't know if this brand is exclusive to Aldi, but it's called Lacura. And we're gonna try some products today. In true Aldi fashion, these products are very inexpensive and affordable. I have a setting spray, which was $4.99, a lip kit, which was $5.99, and a liquid highlighter, which was $4.99. They do have a liquid blush, but they were all sold out, which sucks because I really wanted to try it, but these are the 3 products we have, and let's just get into it. I'm so excited. We're gonna do the liquid highlighter first because I have not set my face and I want to put some liquid on. Mine is in the shade Champagne Shimmer. This is what the packaging looks like. To me, it's kind of weird that the milliliter or whatever ounce size is so big on the packaging, but maybe that's just me. This is what the applicator looks like. Just a large doe foot. I have not swatched this or anything. I don't have a clue what this is gonna look like. It's really pretty though. Very pigmented. I'm excited to put on my face. All right, let's just go in conservatively with one and see what that does. I'm gonna use a brush. Okay, I feel like it's kind of hard to blend. Okay, let's go on this side. Let me just use my finger, see if that's easier. Okay, definitely better to blend with your finger, which I don't like. I feel like it actually looks more shiny with your finger. I don't like having to use my finger. I don't like when products are like that because I don't like to get my hands dirty with makeup. This is just okay so far. Nothing groundbreaking, earth-shattering. Let's put some up here. I feel like it does spread more with your finger. And it actually took off my makeup under my nose. It literally took off my makeup, so don't like that. My nose is like the ultimate test. It's like the boss fight, you know, like if it works on my nose, then I know that it will work everywhere. But I mean, it's pretty, sure, but honestly, I would skip it. Honestly, I would, because it's just okay. And there's other highlighters that are way better. I went ahead and did the rest of my face since we don't have any more liquid products. And I want to note that literally you cannot see the liquid highlighter after I set my face. So that's going to be a no-go for me. But yeah, so we're gonna move on to the liquid lip kit. Mine is in the shade Ruby. This is not the shade I originally wanted, but it was all they had in store. So we're gonna go with it. And if it's a good red, then that's great, because I don't really have any like great reds. There was a nude one and then one other one, so they don't have a lot to choose from. This is the lip liner, very pigmented. It looks, I wouldn't say it's like a red now that I'm looking at it. I would say it is more of like a ruby color. As the name implies, Carson. It's not retractable, so it looks like you can shave it down, you know, with like a pencil sharpener. Definitely very smooth and easy to use. I hate lining my lips. It's so stressful. Okay, I feel like this might be a little too creamy, but maybe that's just me. Let's just go with that for now. I'm tired of messing with it. That is a really pretty color though. This, I don't know, this is kind of hard to use, honestly. My lips are not lined perfectly, but let's just not look at that. This is what the liquid lip looks like. Very pretty. This does look a little bit more red than the lip liner. It smells like, kind of smells like these a little bit, the NYX lingerie ones, but not as good. Okay, let's keep going. Oh, it's definitely more red than the lip liner. Wow, it makes my teeth look so bright. Holy crap. Very easy to put on. Feels really nice and light. Let's see if it dries down. Let's give it a few minutes and see if it'll dry down matte and how like transfer proof it is. All right, it's been like a minute or so, maybe 30 seconds. I don't know. It feels dry and they don't feel like super, it doesn't feel like super drying on my lips. Okay, we do have a little bit of transfer, but not a lot. It feels very lightweight on the lips. I'm really impressed. I mean, for however much this was, $6 or something for a lip liner and a liquid lip, matte liquid lip. way cheaper than like any other kind of lip kit. And even though the lip liner was a little hard to work with because it was so creamy, you may like that. I just don't love like a super creamy because I can't get like a fine line. But other than that, the color is beautiful. It looks and feels great on my lips. Last thing is a setting spray. You can't really like judge a setting spray if it's good or not, but I feel like it's huge setting spray. Like, I don't know, this is one I got from Dollar Tree. It's so small. So I'm gonna shake it. It says on the box that it was like a nice floral scent, so we'll see. Ooh, oh, okay. Fine mist, a lot comes out, that's nice. The smell is it reminds me of like a grandma on a spring day. Just that nice old florally scent. I don't love this scent, but that's what it reminds me of, is like a sweet old grandma on a spring, almost summer day in the garden or something. Like, that's what it smells like. So can't really judge a setting spray. It either sets or it doesn't. I don't know. Do setting sprays even do anything? That's up for debate. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Anytime there's going to be an Aldi makeup product, I will go out and grab it. I've seen eyeshadows there before. I've seen other things. So from now on, I'm gonna go grab it and see what it's all about, because I mean, 2 out of 3 products that were good, I'll take it because they were inexpensive. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and so you can see my other videos that I do. Why am I talking about other videos that I do? I cover all things beauty related, anything affordable. I am trying. I love reviews. So if you are into that, then just stick around, and we'll get to be a big happy family one day. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.